Hi, my name is Christine Toney, and I'm an independent stylist with Lilla Rose. And today I just wanted to take a moment to share with you why I believe Lilla Rose is such an amazing opportunity. I had the privilege of being introduced to Lilla Rose back in 2014, and it truly was love at first sight. I have not a hair person, I never have been, and it's always been a struggle and one of my biggest frustrations in my daily routine. So when I found these amazing accessories that were not only functional, beautiful, but really had unlimited versatility, I was so excited to jump on board. And it's been since then that I've learned how amazing the company itself is. And really there's this generosity of spirit that permeates the whole company, from the tippy top CEO, John Dorsey, all the way down to the newest stylist. It's not uncommon for John, our CEO, to call a new stylist and welcome her to the Lilla Rose family, or to congratulate them on their sales. So it's even gone and shown up on their doorstep at times. When he called me the first time, I thought it was a telemarketer. So we've joked about he didn't probably receive the best reception initially, but he's just as genuine in person as he is as he appears online when he talks to us. To encourage our sales, and comes and does lives through our groups. So it really does permeate the whole company. It has just been a joy to work with him in the home office and the other Lilla Rose ladies. So that is kind of my why I have fallen in love with Lilla Rose, but there's also a practical aspect, and that is our enrollment kit, which is now just $89. And so with that $89, you get all of this product, over $300 worth of product. With that, you get 8 flexies from size mini to large. So we have mini, and here's the large. You get 2 leather 8s with matching simple sticks, and then you have a decorative stick that can coordinate with this leather as well, and you can also wear it by itself. You have a large U pin. You have 2 sets of our traditional U pins, and the bobby pins, and 2 hair bands. Over $300 worth of product for just $89. And that's not all. So you get that product, which is really your own. If you've heard of the capsule wardrobe, that's all you need, either for yourself, for any kind of hairstyle you would like to do, or to do a style up, an in-home party, an online party, or even an event with just those products. Then you also get, in your branded box, you get color brochures and color photos of our models to use in your setups. There are a tabletop banner, all kinds of business supplies and brochures, order forms, catalogs, everything you need to jumpstart your business and get the ball rolling. So we really appreciate all that they provide. You also get a 30 to 45% discount, and that's almost unheard of in the direct sales industry. Usually you work up to a 25%, and we start at 30. And that is a discount for you if you're purchasing, or a commission if you're selling to friends, family, customers, and neighbors. So the commission in itself is an amazing deal. And you also get a free website that there are no strings attached. There are no hidden fees. It truly is a free website where customers can come and order directly from you. So you don't even need to carry inventory. All you need is your initial kit to share with people, and they can go to your replicated website and order for themselves. Again, no hidden fees. So it really is amazing. All of that, and everyone thinks, what's the catch? And I didn't believe it at first myself. I even had to research on my own just to make sure. But it really is. It's $29 a year, and that's not a $29 fee. It's just that $29 worth of retail product comes through your website. That could be purchased from you or customers, friends, family, coworkers. As long as $29 of retail in exchange for product comes through your website, you maintain your commission and your discount for the following year. So it really is a low-risk investment in something that could be huge. And again, I've talked about the community and how wonderful they are. We provide all kinds of tips, tools, and training along the way. And for new stylists, we have the Ready, Set, Win program for the first 3 months to help jumpstart your business and help incentivize you to get out there and to get your feet wet with the products. So you have the opportunity to earn this Lilla Rose bag, which carries your catalogs, product, and kind of showcases, you can see the branding inside, it showcases your business as you go about your daily life. So a huge beneficial tool. There you can earn up to $600 in additional free product for hitting goals for those first 3 months. And you also have the opportunity to earn this branded Lilla Rose necklace, which is really, really pretty and very sought after among other stylists. And it doesn't stop there. They also provide opportunities and incentives for stylists for the months following. So every month there's a stylist incentive that keep us excited about sharing the Lilla Rose accessories and the Lilla love wherever we go. So it really is an amazing opportunity with tools, tips, tricks that will, as much as you want to help you succeed, people are available to help you out with this business. So if it's something you're interested in, I hope you'll think about it. And please reach out to me or another Lilla Rose stylist if you have questions about the opportunity, because we would love to talk with you. And we hope that you'll be joining our Lilla Rose family soon. Thanks.